Guess what today is?
Today is our special Christmas day. Neither of us look very Christmassy.
My nails are Christmassy.
Today we're gonna be listening to Christmas music, wrapping Christmas presents, writing Christmas cards, watching Christmas movies. We're gonna do as much Christmas stuff as we can in 5 hours.
Now we're gonna go visit our favorite donut shop.
I mean, how else are we gonna start a day off?
We tried to go on Sunday. They sold out, which yay guys, that's amazing.
Killing it.
She's in the Michelin Guide now. For CBD donuts.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, it just came out this week.
Oh my god, I missed it.
She's fucking badass.
Oh, I want a CBD donut today.
Okay. Oh, hi, random stranger. Where are you going?
Oh, I'm going to get donuts. What are you doing?
Can I come with you?
Ma'am, join me.
Oh, yes. What do you have here, ma'am?
Oh, just some donuts.
Give us a tour.
So we have the CBD espresso hot chocolate, holiday spice, grapefruit sage, Danielle's personal favorite, an old-fashioned glazed, and then gingerbread latte with a little friend.
Yeah. Very excited.
We're getting ready.
It's baking time. Look at this. This is a lot of gingerbread.
It is a lot of gingerbread. So this day is already turning out so differently than either of us really anticipated. I don't know, I mean, but in a good way, because we are gonna make delicious cookies and it's gonna be so fast because we don't actually have to make them. We're just gonna get to do the fun part, which is like the rolling and the cutting and the decorating, which I've never done before. So it's a whole new Christmas experience. So Danielle's making raw icing. I got a roasted grapefruit juice from Full Circle and I added tequila to it, so.
Oh, you did add tequila to it?
I did, of course I did.
How did I miss that part?
You were upstairs. Oh my god, it's so good with tequila in it. It's like a marg. I think I need to add ice though.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I could add a couple cubes though. Okay. Let's just say 8 tablespoons of water. Yeah, sometimes I start with 8 tablespoons of water. That's what she said, right? I'm pretty sure our coffee's really kicked in. Hey! If something bad happens. Okay, we're done.
4.
Yes.
5.
Do it, girl.
6.
Fuck yes.
7.
Uh-huh.
And 8.
Yay!
You did it!
Yeah. I think that looks about right. Because it should smooth within 10 seconds. Which I think it will.
I think any longer and we're too long.
Yeah, we'd have to thin it out.
I think that's right.
I think it's okay.
Okay.
I think it'll work. Okay, so these are the 4 colors that we made. So Courtney from Full Circle Artisan Palace over in Hamden gave us a big brick of her grandmother's recipe gingerbread dough. So we were inspired and we're gonna just decorate gingerbread cookies. But so now we're gonna roll it out. It's been out of the refrigerator since she gave it to us, so it's been at least an hour. Oh my god, really? Is it already that time?
Probably.
And so we're just gonna roll. Should I start with half?
Okay, here's what we're working with. We got a couple dudes and dudettes, some trees, and some mittens.
They're cute.
They look great. I'm very excited.
Okay, so Danielle and I have a really bad habit of, like, every time we go to the liquor store, we just have to buy whatever is new and seasonal and weird and different. Yeah. And Wine Source.
I can bend down.
Wine Source is really good at putting stuff right in front of our faces when you walk in. So we got, go ahead.
Threadbare, Oaked, and Wild. Made from scratch with regional apples and wild yeast. It's carbonated hard cider, you guys.
Yeah, and it's adorable packaging.
Bastard.
Oh, okay.
That was anti-climactic.
Well, that was unnecessary, but the lighting's better out here anyway.
Wow. Can we get up?
Yeah.
It's like better version of Millstone. Wow, that's good. I like it. I like it, Barkley.
Oh.
Yeah? It's a winner.
I do like it. Each batch is funky and unique.
Okay, girls and boys.
Okay, so we have our first 2 batches.
Yeah, 24 little ginger people
Of
in the oven.
gingerbread people. And I'm gonna taste test another.
Give me one. Give me a surprise one.
Okay. Let me think. I mean, I think we should both just do this one.
I like that.
That's a weird texture.
It's like a Rolo or Reason.
Have we finished a single drink?
This is us.
This is like a fucking college pregame right now with the amount of drinks that we started and haven't finished. Where am I at? Coffee.
I still have almost half.
I have a half a coffee. I have to finish this. I hate when people do that. I feel like I make that sound if I'm like joking. Oh, how do you even do it?
I would sound like a cat that's about to throw up.
Or like that toad that's in Practical Magic when it barfs up a ring.
Oh yeah, you're the toad.
Also, how the fuck did they make a toad do that? Because that was legit. They put
Animation.
No, I don't think they did. It really looks like the ring comes out of that toad's mouth.
Stress hives. You're chugging coffee?
Not really, I was doing little sips, but I was doing the sound you make when you're drowning.
Well, I hope I never make that sound. I have powdered sugar everywhere.
All over your Lulus.
Look at this adorable cake.
I know.
I want to make this. I even want to make the little gingerbread car with the tree on top.
Oh, you want to freehand that today? Like, I think that's a cool idea, especially for people that live like down on Fame Street and stuff.
Charleston.
With Fame Street.
I like this one.
Mm-hmm.
That looks like eucalyptus.
Candy cane red. Are we gonna show people what we're talking about and they're just not gonna watch us read a magazine?
Oh, we're talking about wreaths. Door wreaths.
Door decor.
Door decor, merry and bright.
The problem with...
Hey,
Do you know what I did?
it's $28. Oh God, what did you do?
Can you guess?
You bought something that you didn't need.
Yeah, but why would I have bought something that I didn't need? Like, what was recently that would have... We didn't turn our cookies. So there was...
send it to me telepathically.
Something on this page made me think of it.
Is it a hat?
No.
Is it an eyeshadow palette?
No.
Makeup brushes.
Mm-mm.
A jade roller.
No.
Oh. One of these things? Clean your face?
Oh, a Foreo? No.
Yeah. Bitch, it ain't nothing else. Wait, oh my God, don't tell me. Is it something for your hair?
No.
Is it an accessory?
No.
Skincare?
Yes.
Pharmacy?
Yeah.
You bought the green clean?
No.
The honey potion?
Yeah. I bought the full-size one with the $20 off from Sephora.
Oh, you weren't gonna buy anything! I'm really proud of myself for not buying anything.
So you say we put them in at 14, then they're supposed to come out.
I couldn't tell you. I forget. You know what? That's what today's all about. It's like, fuck it. It is what it is.
No, because I need cookies to come out of this.
Yeah. I just don't want it to squirt off the bottom and the top simultaneously.
And then, yeah, that's every girl's worst nightmare. Looks like freshman year.
get crummies on me.
My grandmother said, "What are you two doing?" Oh, we gotta hurry up. We gotta be good.
Okay. We're trying really hard not to use a curse word.